Hi and welcome back to the Simple Web Start channel, and in today's video what we're going to do is set up the website contact form. So what I'll show you is how to set up the mailbox, and then also how to connect that to your contact page, and then towards the end I'll just quickly show you how you can connect that form so it forwards to, say, a Gmail account. So first of all, we'll need a template to work on. So as you can see, we're in the Classroom hub, and if we scroll down, I can click on the free site builder demo. Now the reason I've gone this way from the Classroom instead of going to the site builder demo, if I do it this way, it'll drop a tab up here, and then I can just swap between the actual templates. And then if we go back to the website and scroll down, and we can go to the demo control panel as well. Like I say, if you've got web hosting with me, then just log into your control panel you've got with your hosting account, and then you can follow on with the video. So first of all, we'll set up a mailbox. We'll create a new email box, and this is where you'll add it. So this just here, you'll have info at or help at or support at. Here will be your domain, obviously because we're in the control panel, we've got the domains for that. So when you've set that up, just click on it, select the one you want. You need to generate a password, and as always, add a few letters and numbers just to make it a little bit more secure, because you'll need that when you log in. So take a copy of your email, make a copy of your password, leave everything else, and then add the mailbox. Now obviously, because I haven't filled this in, then it's obviously not going to do it. But like I say, when you fill yours in, it will add the mailbox. So that's that. So now if we go over to the template, and I do know this one hasn't got a contact page on. All the other templates have, it's just this one hasn't. So we'll just come out of that and out of that. And then we're going to add a contact page up here. So then you will go to settings, and it's the main menu, which is the top menu, add subpage, switch this on, click on contact us, add that as your name, and then add it. And as you can see, this is your contact form. If you've already got your contact form, then obviously follow the video from here. You can change all this as well. I'm not going to that because there is videos on the channel. This is your form. You can actually go into form builder, manage module, and what you can do, you can drag these across if you want to change the form, but as for a start, I just leave it as it is. Save changes. And then what we'll need to do is the email that you've set up here, we're going to now connect to the contact form. So if you go to settings, if you go to general settings, and then what you'll need to do, that email there, put that into there. So when that's set up, that's all done. And then if we go back to the control panel, which is just here, so I'll just come out of that. Obviously save your password on your email, and when you're in here, if you want to forward it, go to email forwarding, set up new email forwarding. That is obviously the email that we've just set up, and then here you can then put a Gmail account or whatever account you want in there, and you can save a copy if you wish, and then click add. So then when somebody comes to your contact form and fills all the details in here, it will then forward it on to either the mailbox within your hosting account, or it will forward it on to the Gmail account if you've got that set up. So that's basically how to set up a website contact form and fitting all the pieces together. If you're not subscribed, then please do. Thumbs up if you would like. And if you've got any other questions, then you can obviously contact me at the website through the contact form, which is here. If you've got an hosting account with me and you want to ask some questions, obviously you've got my telephone number, so you can contact me personally, and I'll be quite happy to take you through setting it up. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.